DCM Shriram Limited. A name synonymous with excellence in the world of manufacturing. A company with a legacy of world-class products, backed by a glorious past and a bright future. Boasting of a diversified manufacturing portfolio, including chemicals, PVC resin and compounds, urea fertilizer, cement, doors and window profiles, amongst others. All manufactured at our primary manufacturing facility at Kota, Rajasthan. We are an organization that gives utmost importance to safety at all times, which is visible from the fact that employees, visitors and suppliers are continuously made aware about safety to avoid any untoward incident. This is extremely important, keeping in view the hazards involved in our manufacturing processes, which operate at high temperatures and pressure levels. To rule out any accidents that may lead to any harm to employees, our visitors and other people in and around our premises and the society at large, we have always given paramount importance to safety by taking careful and well-planned measures in all that we do. All plants located in our Kota complex have been designed in such a way that the byproduct or waste of one plant can be used by other plants. This integration enables better utilization of resources and minimizes environmental pollution. We have always focused on and maintained stringent safety norms, and it has become a way of life for us.
Being associated with the Kota complex for more than 3 decades, I have seen this place change for the better. While we have changed with times, our core values and beliefs have remained our anchors. One of our core beliefs is respect and dignity for all our employees. To my mind, the highest respect we can give an employee is ensuring his safety. In order to ensure safety, we have adopted several international practices to make this place safer. We have adopted the quality system ISO 9001, environment system ISO 14001, and occupational health and safety standards OSAS 18001 here. We also incorporated British health and safety systems in the year 2003 and incorporated it in the integrated management systems. We have also made significant improvements in our process safety management. A triple redundant TMR system in the power plant, or an advanced control system in the ammonia plant, or the double redundant DCS in PVC and chlor-alkali plants have all been done with a single aim to improve the process safety management.
An Apex committee known as the Health and Safety Steering Committee, HSSC, comprising the plant heads and led by a business head, has been constituted to steer this implementation and restructuring process. Additionally, safety coordinators are nominated from each department, and 18 plant-level safety committees have been constituted, incorporating representatives from across the plants. DCM Shriram follows one of the most effective and comprehensive safety programs in the industry, comprising processes covering various aspects of operation, thereby making the complex a safe workplace for its employees and nearby communities.
At our Kota complex, we are dealing with very diverse nature of materials and operating conditions. Under these circumstances, it is important for us to have a very high standards of safety practices and culture in our organization. To effectively manage workplace safety, we have laid down various safety policies and guidelines.
EHS policy. A well-defined EHS policy is in place, both at corporate as well as unit levels. Display units have been placed across the complex, and training programs are conducted regularly as a part of this policy. The EHS policy provides for a multitude of benefits, including these. EHS organization. A separate organizational structure has been created to establish two-way communication. This comprises setting up of objectives and targets. SMART goals are set up in the beginning of the year with clear-cut responsibilities and target dates of completion. Separate targets are set for overall improvement in performance with regards to quality, safety, health, environment and security. Risk assessment. Detailed hazard identification and risk assessment tests are carried out by a cross-functional team to assess the risk associated with a particular process. These tests are conducted using a software called Risk Assessment Tool. Based on these assessments, customized procedures or programs are developed to eliminate and mitigate risks. Permit to work system. To further ensure employee safety, DCM Shriram follows a permit to work system. This ensures that before any work is carried out, a responsible person assesses and certifies the area and equipment to be safe for the job to be carried out. Additionally, a toolbox talk is given by a job supervisor before starting any job to explain the hazards involved and precautions to be taken. All permits are made or issued online through the SAP system, isolation procedures and LOTO systems. With more than 3,000 electrical machines in the complex, comprehensive risk assessments are regularly undertaken for all electrical installations. Standard lockout, tagout, LOTO procedures are followed while taking up maintenance jobs on these items. Safety guards on moving machinery. This has led to guards being modified or changed in order to enhance safety and improve security. Display of safety signage. For a complex spread across 330 hectares, safety signage is extremely important. That is why we have put up signage pertaining to various forms of safety across the complex. PPE matrix has been made and displayed at all locations, which indicates use of particular PPE in specific operations. All access ladders and pathways have been painted and numbered. Fire preparedness. Several steps have been taken to safeguard fire-prone areas at the Kota complex, and well-equipped fire management system is there to handle any kind of emergency. Basic firefighting training has been given to all our employees of the complex. Fire drills are conducted on regular intervals. Use of personal protective equipment. To ensure the safety of every individual, use of personal protective equipment, PPE, such as safety helmets, safety shoes, safety goggles, gloves, ear muffs, etc. have been made mandatory. Additionally, training on use of such personal protective equipment is regularly imparted to all employees. Training. We believe that best intentions can only be translated into reality through a skillful and trained workforce. Our people constitute our invaluable assets, and our well-structured training programs add value to the way they function and achieve a safe working environment. Emergency planning. In order to deal with any emergencies that may arise, on-site and off-site emergency response plans have been drawn and implemented. Additionally, mock drills are carried out every 6 months to assess the preparedness of the team in case of an emergency. Such mock drills are also conducted in odd hours to check the preparedness to handle an emergency. Health. An occupational health center manned by professionally qualified medical personnel is set up in the complex to look after the physical health of all employees. The center also conducts mandatory health checkups once every 6 months for all employees. There are special tests conducted periodically for food handlers in canteens. First aid training has been imparted to employees in such a manner that at least one trained person is available in each shift in all plants. First aid boxes containing necessary medicines have been kept at various locations. Safety inspections and audits. To ensure that the high safety standards are maintained, safety inspections are conducted every month by the Safety Committee. Apart from safety inspections, safety audits are also conducted to ensure that the company's safety standards are being maintained. Internal safety audits are conducted every 6 months by trained and certified auditors. There are more than 50 trained internal auditors in the complex. Management reviews. In accordance with the company's aim to create a safe workplace for all employees, management reviews are carried out on a regular basis at the plant and department levels. These meetings and reviews result in enhancing productivity, reliability, and safety.
The effort at our complex over the last few years has been to adopt the best international practices in safety. The budgets have never been a constraint while carrying out improvements in the safety practices across our complex. We are continuously seeing major improvements in the various parameters that we continuously monitor. For example, the number of near-miss cases which have started reporting have increased from 150 in 2014 to about 200 in 2016. The behavioral-based safety observations, which is a new concept in our organization, there the numbers have increased from 25,000 in 2014 to about 40,000 in 2016. Similarly, the first aid cases have reduced substantially from 100 in 2014 to just about 29 in 2016.
All these steps help in making DCM Shriram more compliant with world-class health and safety management systems through newer methodologies and higher safety standards. This has resulted in our constantly improving safety performance and has allowed us to gain national and international recognition, which is validated through the various awards we have received over the years. DCM Shriram, where safety is the norm.